Hi everyone, RobIsNow here with another pastel painting, doing a butterfly that we took a picture of from a trip to the zoo the other week. During the trip, it was quite fun. Butterfly enclosure full of fairly big butterflies. One of them actually landed on my head. That was quite good. Felt kind of honoured. But this one, sitting on a leaf, just got the shot. Wasn't too pleased with the background because it's not quite blurry enough. It's a bit too cluttered. So you'll see that goes through some reworks. It also goes through some reworks because after this session that you're seeing now, it took quite a beating. I was testing a pastel fixative and it kind of sprayed on out of the bottle with the force of a super soaker and basically destroyed everything I'd done. So there was a bit of rework to do, which you can see happening now. But I did want to try it again with something that wasn't quite as brutal as spray, so a bit more like a perfume atomizer spray. But I've got a video on that coming out soon with some videos of how the application process went, so you can see quite why there was so much damage. But on the whole, I feel like we did the butterfly justice. The background, you see, we're starting to block it in a bit more, kind of just negates that background from being so distracting. But there you are, pastel painting of a butterfly. Let me know what you think down below. See you next time.